I, Lalhare Murari Nath Sahdev, welcome you all students of Standard 6 to my online class, a practice book, unit first, putting it together. Students, we have already done some of the worksheets and now it's the time to start this video with worksheet number 8. Look at here, worksheet 8. Mrs. Arya wants to go for shopping. She prepares a list of the things to be bought. Look at the list given below and write CN against the countable nouns and UN against the uncountable nouns. The first one has been done for you. The second T is uncountable noun. That's why UN. You have to put in this blank in this box UN. The third carrot. It's countable noun. That's why CN you have to write here in this box. 4 number flower. You know it. This is again uncountable noun. That's why UN. Salt. You know it. This is again uncountable noun. That's why you have to write UN. Pulse again uncountable noun. So you have to put UN uncountable noun here in this box. Now next is tomato. This is countable noun. You can count tomatoes very well. That's why you have to write CN here. Cotton, this is uncountable noun. That's why UN in the box. Candle is again countable, so you have to put CN in this box. Sugar again is uncountable, so you have to write here UN. Now come to worksheet 9. Mrs. Arya prepares a delicious dish called spicy rice. Mrs. Baid requests her to let her know the recipe of the same. Mrs. Arya sends her the following recipe. Now look at spicy rice. Boil the desired quantity of rice, remove its starch. In another vessel, fry onions and ginger. Add salt, red chili powder, green chilies, and grated capsicums. Next, add turmeric powder and spices. After the gravy has been fried, add some saffron and cashew nuts. Add rice and cook it for 5 minutes. From the recipe given above, list all the countable and uncountable nouns in the boxes given on the next page. Now, let us see what is in this next page. Now you have to see which are countable nouns and which uncountable. Now under countable, you have to put these words: vessel, onions, ginger, green chilies, spices, cashew nuts, minutes. Now, under the column of uncountable noun, rice, starch, salt, red chili powder, grated capsicums, turmeric powder, gravy, and saffron. Now come to worksheet 10. Now worksheet 10. See what is here. Nikki and Millie visit a museum where they see various precious things that belonged to kings, queens, and other great people. Look at the visuals below and write complete sentences. The first one has been done for you. One has already been done. They saw Emperor Akbar's throne. You have to use apostrophe s here. That's what is the main requisite, main requirement in these sentences. They saw Mahatma Gandhi's watch. This is how you have to fill in this second blank. They saw Mahatma Gandhi's apostrophe s, Mahatma Gandhi's watch. Now the third one, the jewelry of Empress Nur Jahan. They saw Empress Nur Jahan's jewelry, apostrophe s. They saw Empress Nur Jahan's jewelry. Now, fourth number, the wooden pen of Munshi Premchand. They saw Munshi Premchand's wooden pen. Next one, the crown of a Persian king. They saw a Persian king's crown. Next number, portrait of Mirabai. They saw Mirabai's portrait. Now come to worksheet 11. What is here? You see, Mr. Arya has grown a new kind of vegetable. He cannot pull it out. Look at the pictures below and describe his efforts to pull it out. The first one has been done for you. Mr. Arya is amazed to see the huge vegetable. Now, what may be second, you have to see it. He tries, Mr. Arya tries to pull it out but fails. Third number, he calls her wife for help. Fourth number, they both try to put it out but they fail. Mrs. Arya calls her daughter for help. They all three try but they fail. Seventh number, Nikki calls her dog for help. Eighth number, their power together also is unable to budge the vegetable. Nine number, they call the mice at last and then pull the vegetable out from its place. Thus, the mice proved to be very helpful to them. This is how you have to do this worksheet. Now let us come to the 12th one. Here, look at what the question demands. Mr. Arya has developed a new vegetable. A picture of the vegetable is given below. Look at the picture and describe it. Look at the picture and describe it. You may include the following points in your description: name of the vegetable, what nutrients does it contain, how should it be cooked. Now, how you have to fill it up, you see. Number A, the vegetable looks like pigeon's peach, or the vegetable looks like a pigeon pea. Next one, it should be named pig tam. Third number, it is rich in vitamins C and A and is good for teeth. It should be cooked with potatoes and served. Now come to this last one, do it yourself. The following passage has not been edited. Underline the errors and write the correct words in the space provided. The first one has been done for you. A hungry fox were hunting for his dinner. Here, were is wrong, which has been corrected by writing was against it. Now, next number, he entered in a garden where he knew he. In this line, B number, you have to underline in a. These two words should be underlined, and then correction is the garden instead of in a, the. Now, third one, C number, would find some test grapes. Test is wrong, underline it and write tasty grapes. Tasty. C number, you have to write tasty. The fox saw many large bunches in grapes. In is wrong. Of grapes. Hanging right in his head. Underline in, write over in place of it. He jumped and jumped, but they is wrong here. But he could not reach. He was alone, single. So in place of they, he will be in F number. You have to write he against F number. Now see G number, them. How bitter they look, he said. Instead of bitter, you have to write tasty. In the beginning, they looked very tasty to that creature. So here, how tasty they look. Against G number, you have to write tasty. Tasty, tasty. I must hedge them. After modals, you know the first form of verb is used. So hedge is wrong here. You write have against H number. I must have them, so he jumped again. But on grapes were too high at last. You know it that grapes is plural, and before plural countable noun, an cannot be used. So the grapes. Instead of an, you have to write the. At last he grew tired and said, the grapes. You know it, grapes word is plural, so according to subject verb agreement, is not possible. That's why instead of is, you have to write are. The grapes are sour. I doesn't want to have them. You know it that doesn't is singular verb while I takes plural verb. That's why I don't want to have them. You have to underline doesn't and write don't against k number. So this is how you have to complete this question number 1 of do it yourself. Now let us see another one. So now this is the end. This is the end of your all worksheets from the unit putting it together. I expect you all wise students must have understood all the answers, and I expect one thing more, that you would definitely be able to write the answers yourself. If you listen the video properly, if you note down your answers yourself after reading the passages, the text given here, you will be completing your 3 skills at once. With 3 skills, they are reading, listening, and writing. Children, these skills are very useful for you, so be ready with all these skills to be competent enough in the further classes which are about to come after the completion of this session. In this session also you will get benefit from these skills, because these skills are not restricted to any higher classes or meant for higher classes. These are for all classes, starting just from the time you started to talk, read, and speak English. In an English medium school, these skills are very useful for you. So please try to work, because labor never goes in vain. Your work is a kind of labor, and labor always pays. So if you want to be well paid, you must do this work of laboring hard. So now, by the time we meet again with next unit, let us say goodbye to each other. Thank you very much.